Hey everyone, this is Jeff from Smartphones for Water, or S4W for short. S4W exists to mobilize young researchers, citizen scientists, and mobile technology to improve lives by strengthening our understanding and management of water. S4W is a growing global network of people passionate about stewarding the only water we've got. Together, we're measuring our water resources and sharing these data with scientists and politicians and anyone else who cares about our future, because we can't manage a resource that we don't measure. In this video, we're going to show you how to, one, download and configure Open Data Kit, or ODK, for an Android device, and two, how to get a blank form based on your location. If you don't have an Android device, no worries. Please check out our other video on how to use Encato to collect data through a web browser. All right, I'm going to turn it over to Tyler for the details.
First, we need to open the App Store. My phone uses Google Play Store, as seen on the top left. This may vary depending on Android phone. Others may use Samsung Galaxy apps, LG smartphones, Hawaii App Store, and Sony apps. Once you have your App Store open, search for ODK Collect. The icon should look like a clipboard with a piece of paper, or as displayed on this video. We want to check on ODK Collect app and select Install or Download. There we go. You now have ODK app installed. Now let's get the correct form for your area. Let's first open up ODK Collect. Once the app is open, you should see Fill Blank Form, Edit Saved Form, Send Finalized Form, View Sent Forms, Get Blank Form, and Delete Saved Forms. From here, the action button on the top right, the vertical ellipsis, we want to select General Settings and go to Server. We want to ensure that the type is set for ODK, and our URL should match our location. I'll be using Africa for this example, but there are 4 others. We have Africa, Asia, Europe, and North America, as seen on the screen. So we want to fill in our data based on our region. We'll put in our region at the start, .smartphones for water. .org. And press OK. In the username, enter your preferred email address. I'm using measurewater@gmail.com as an example. If you do not have a preferred email address, please enter your preferred phone number, including the country code and area code without space or punctuation. An example would be 1-530-555-4564. Note that these contact details will never be shared and are only used to communicate with you regarding your data or the S4W project. We can leave the password blank. Now we can navigate back to the home screen to get our blank form. We want to select Get Blank Form, the second from the bottom. And we want to select the S4W form for our region. We want to make sure that the top checkbox is selected for the newest version. And at the bottom left, we want to select Get Form or Get Selected. There we go. Congratulations, you're all ready to start taking measurements. Make sure you check out our videos on filling out your first ODK form or using Encanto for data collection. You can also join us on Facebook at Smartphones for Water or follow us on Instagram or Twitter. Thank you for joining the growing S4W family and helping us understand and protect the only water we've got.